Hi, my name is Linda, and I'm excited to share this craft with you today. And you can access all of our virtual programs on our library website at nololibrary.org. Today we're going to make a torn paper owl craft. And I've got 3 examples to show you. I've got one in purple, one in green, and one in blue. And let's get started. All right, so we're making our little owl. And we're going to be using some glue, just some plain Elmer's glue is good, either a black marker or a black crayon. Those are going to be for our eyeballs. And we've got yellow construction paper for your eyes, green for the background. You can pick any color you like for the background. And then orange for the beak. And then I picked 2 colors for the fur or the feathers. And I picked 2 different shades of brown. You can make your bird any color that you like. You see I've got one that's pink and brown and one that's brown and brown in my examples. So the first thing we're going to do is make our feathers. And by doing this, we're going to take our construction paper and we're going to rip it up into chunks. Just rip it all up into small chunks. And there you go. You've got a pile of your 2 shades of whatever color you chose. And now we're going to pick up our background color. For me, I chose green for this one. And we're gonna open up our glue and we're gonna start applying our feathers to our background color. And this could take you a little while. Just keep working on it until you have a nice oval pile of glued on feathers onto your construction paper. See my feathers growing and growing. More and more feathers until, look at that, I have almost a full owl body. He looks very fluffy. Then we move on to our next step, which will be eyeballs. And like I said, I like to do them in yellow. The color really pops. Think about an owl at night. He has bright yellow eyes. And I'm not good at drawing a circle, so I took the bottom of my cup and I traced it with my crayon. And now I'm cutting out my circles. Of course, you need to make 2 because you have 2 eyeballs. And then you take your black marker or crayon and you make your pupils of your eyeballs. That's the small black part in the center of the yellow. If you're a perfectionist like me, you want to make it a nice solid black dot, but you don't have to. And you place them where you like on your owl. They're mine. Next, I'm going to make a beak and feet out of the orange. Just 2 little snips in a triangle, folded paper in half, and we've got a beak all ready to go. And now we're going to make the feet. We're going to make 2 long, skinny rectangles. Again, my paper's folded over, so with each cut I make 2 long, skinny rectangles. Those are his legs. And then we're going to make his toes. And we just make 4 toes. And you stick them diagonal on the legs, just like that. And now all we have to do is glue them together. Glue on one eye, and then the other eye. I'm pretty fussy about how I place my eyes on, as you can tell. Now we're going to do his beak, glued on. And then we're going to glue on all the foot parts. And voila, you have a super cute owl craft. He looks fuzzy and fluffy and really adorable. And that's it.